Hey everyone, so this is Awesome Reviews. Welcome to my channel where I review about different kind of products every week. So today I will give a detailed review of Minute Kit in which you will get 7 high value products in which can go live in under a minute. You can set up and go live with traffic in under 1 minute. You can clone and launch 7 high value membership websites with multimated automated income streams. So, this kit is for beginners, especially who want to grow their sales, who want to get leads, who wants to increase their affiliate sales and their own product sales as well. And those who don't know how to do it, this kit will give them the benefit. On 23rd of November, which is today, you will see a webinar in which you will be demonstrated about how you can launch 7 high value websites in under a minute. I am also providing free bonuses as well. So you can contact me on my Instagram and just send a screenshot of your purchase to my account and you will be provided the free bonuses. In order to avail this offer, just enter your name and email ID over here and click on the yes reserve my seat button. 7 product packed websites in 1 minute you can get. You will get a shortest webinar in which you will be demonstrated and showed how you can increase your sales, how you can create your sales pages, list building, how you can write sales emails, and much more. So you will get all the templates of your websites in this kit. So everything is included in this kit, which has been ready for you, and it's absolutely stunning. You can create sales pages, confirm pages, bridging pages, download pages. You can send onboarding emails, promotional emails, upsell emails. Everything has been hosted for you, so there is no need to get external hosting from outside. You can do product creation, delivery, and support. Everything is fully automated. Well, the best part is that you can generate leads, you can do upsells, downsells, and cross sells, and you will get 100% commissions through the traffic on your website. So you can join this webinar on the 23rd of November on this exclusive live event. Just enter your name and email ID over here and click on the yes reserve my seat button. Let me just remind you that I'm also offering free bonuses, so you can contact me on my Instagram in order to avail this offer. Just send a screenshot of your purchase and you're good to go. I will be coming up live next week with another amazing video. Thank you.